Hi, I'm delighted to introduce the Minime's EPOS system and explain its wonderful features. Well, let's take a brief look at the history of restaurant POS systems to appreciate what Minime's has offered and why it's different. In the early 1900s, cash register machines were introduced and gradually used in the restaurants in America, and they could handle the cash only. Obviously, there was not yet any card payment. Restaurants had a paper menu, a waitstaff to get the order, and a cash drawer. By 1950, cash register machines were everywhere, yet there still remained the printed menu, a waitstaff, and a cash drawer. In the early 1950s, the first credit card was born, exclusively for restaurants, known as Diners Club. But yet there was a printed menu, a waitstaff, a cash drawer, and a card register maybe. During the 80s, POS was established and it changed the game of payment. But yet restaurants still involved a printed menu, a waitstaff to get the order, a cash drawer, and an POS to accept cards. In the 90s, when computers evolved, the POS was developed by integrating orders and payments using computers to avoid any mistakes. However, the hardware era of POS systems still kept a printed menu, waitstaff, and a cash drawer, plus an POS in the picture. By 2000, POS systems were more advanced, offered a variety of features, and relied on software rather than hardware to handle more jobs such as inventory, accounting, table management, floor management, and more. Guess what? Yes, yet there was a printed menu, a waitstaff, and the rest of this annoying sentence. By 2010, smartphones were widely recognized and mobile networks started to develop. Hence, mobile applications surfaced and POS systems followed the idea of EPOS. But yet, OMG, no one has changed it. As you see, despite a lot of progress in technology and the development of restaurant business management solutions under POS systems, our dining experience has not been touched since 1900 or even 1800. And yet, we've been using the same principles in the order management and customer service in a restaurant. It seems no one has noticed the perspective of customers and all the concerns have been towards the restaurant's internal issues only. The Minime's idea developed in 2017 to engage the customers into POS processes and cut the centuries-old method of order management by introducing the digital menu on customers' smartphones. Digital menu actually hands over the order and payment management sections to the customers as much as possible. Minime's has all the features that you name. As a modern EPOS system, it supports all restaurant routines, plus a self-service order and payment solution based in your customers' smartphones. Nevertheless, Minime's also works well as a normal EPOS, processing tableside orders, kitchen management, inventory and PO management, floor layout design, accounting, coupons and gift cards are all among features available in the system. No need to mention that online booking will be easy in Minime's. The system will have the ultimate market of restaurants that use Minime's EPOS system and the people who use its app as customers. Hence, it can manage the interactions between restaurants and their customers more closely in one platform under reviews and comments. It can also easily run exclusive marketing campaigns for restaurants among Minime's app users. People can also use the Minime's app to search for nearby restaurants, have a look at the menu, and see the restaurant page before choosing a restaurant or booking a table. Using Minime's will decrease the number of the waiting staff and requires more cooks, as it will increase the table turnover and the kitchen load accordingly. So it's time to train your waiters and waitresses how to cook rather than how to serve. You can also configure the billing to be PAS or Pay As Served or PAO, Pay As Ordered, according to your billing and payment policy. It also supports Dutch billing as well. The Minime's app is available in iOS and Android for both restaurants and customers, in addition to a web-based desktop version for restaurants only. Meaning a restaurant doesn't need any special hardware to use Minime's, as long as there's internet along with a browser, smartphone or a tablet. Minime's supports self-service kiosk, mounted device, tablet or screens, tableside order by waiting staff on any tablet or mobile phone, as well as customer self-order and payment by the app. The headquarters office is in Brisbane, Australia, and there are marketing and support offices in Malaysia as well. Minime's has launched a new generation of restaurant POS systems and will change customers' dining experience digitally. Minime's has a free package, giving you all its systems for free, as long as your restaurant has less than 10 tables. The paid packages start as low as $99 per month, having no lock-in contract. To learn more about Minime's, please visit www.minimes.com. Minime's has more than all-in-one.